Good evening. I am Yashika Arora. Welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news update of the day. The headlines: PM Modi condoles demise of NRI industrialist and philanthropist Suraj Paul. IMD has forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall in several parts of the country. Bangkok court dismissed lese majesty case against former PM Thaksin Shinawatra. Spain wildfires highlights growing risk of climate change. SEBI plans to raise tenure and maturity for equity derivatives. Rupee depreciates by 19 paise to close at 87.26 against US dollar. U20 World Wrestling Championship 2025 and Priya Malik claims silver. Mohsin Ali wins first gold medal in men's 1000-meter kayaking. Now news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has condoled the demise of NRI industrialist and philanthropist Suraj Paul. In a social media post, Mr. Prime Minister said that the contribution of the Paul to industry, philanthropy and public service in the UK and his unwavering support for closer tie with India will always be remembered. The Prime Minister also recalled their interactions. The IMD has forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar, East Rajasthan, Ganget, West Bengal, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Odisha, Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh today. Parts of Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Punjab and Sikkim are also likely to witness heavy rainfall during the next 2-3 days. In Thailand, a court in Bangkok today dismissed a lese majesty case involving controversial billionaire and former Thai Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra. The charge relates to an interview Mr. Thaksin gave to a South Korean newspaper 10 years ago. He would have faced up to 15 years in jail if convicted. Massive wildfires across Spain this summer are a warning sign of the increasing risk of a climate change. According to climatologist Xavier Martin White from the University of Barcelona, he warned that more parts of Europe, especially areas with usually wild summers, will face extreme heat in the coming years. This is a warning to countries that have cool summers. Intense heat will spread further north, he said. The SEBI is planning to increase the tenure and maturity of equity derivatives contracts in a calibrated manner, addressing the FICCI Capital Market Conference 2025 in Mumbai today. SEBI Chairman Tuhin Kanta Pandey said consultation will be held with the stakeholders on ways to improve the maturity profile so that they better serve hedging and long-term investing. In the forex market, the rupee today depreciated by 19 paise to close at 87 rupee and 26 paise against the US dollar. The dollar index, which indicates US dollar strength against a basket of 6 other leading currencies, was trading at 98.32 in an intra-day trade. India added 2 more medals at the U20 World Wrestling Championship 2025 in Bulgaria, with Reena and Priya Malik winning silver in their categories yesterday. In the women's 55 kg category, Reena settled for silver after losing 2-10 to Everest Ledecker of the US in the final. The first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival began on a high note in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, with 17-year-old local Shakrawala Mohsin Ali winning the first gold medal yesterday. Mohsin, who rode shikaras on the lake, won the men's 100-meter kayaking race in 4 minutes 12 seconds, beating competitors from Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.